Welcome to the top best. The best brow pomade is probably one of the most transformative tools in any makeup bag, offering the power to sculpt, define, and fill in sparse areas with remarkable precision, creating everything from natural-looking arches to bold, dramatic brows that frame the face beautifully and elevate your entire look, making it an essential for achieving that polished, put-together appearance every single day. Number 5. Milani Stay Put Brow Color Dark Brown. Achieve beautifully sculpted eyebrows with this incredible brow color. It's designed to effortlessly fill in sparse areas and define your natural shape, giving you a polished look. No need to worry about touch-ups throughout your day. This formula is crafted to stay put, ensuring your brows look flawless from morning to night. Experience the perfect hue with its deep, dark brown shade. It blends seamlessly with most natural brow colors, enhancing your features beautifully. Feel good about your beauty routine. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with your values for conscious living. Transform your brows with ease and confidence. It's the ideal choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-quality brow solution. What we like. This pomade offers a guilt-free beauty experience with its vegan and cruelty-free formula. It excels at precisely filling and shaping your brows for a polished look. If you prioritize ethical beauty and desire perfectly sculpted, defined brows, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. LAVONE Eyebrow Stamp Kit. Achieve stunning eyebrows with ease. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a flawless look. Say goodbye to complicated brow routines. Its innovative stamp design helps you create perfectly shaped brows in seconds. The included waterproof eyebrow pencil ensures precise definition and long-lasting wear. It's designed to withstand your day, rain, or shine. Beyond brows, it also features an eyeliner, eyebrow pomade, and a dual-ended brush. These tools complete your eye makeup for a cohesive look. Available in a versatile black-brown shade, it blends seamlessly with most hair colors. Experience professional results right at home. What we like. This innovative stamp kit simplifies your brow routine, making application quick and easy. Its waterproof formula ensures your brows stay flawless all day, and it comes as a complete trio for convenience. If you're looking for a fast and foolproof way to achieve symmetrical brows, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 3. LAVONE Eyebrow Pen Makeup Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for flawless eyebrows. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to enhance your natural beauty. It includes a waterproof eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, pomade, and a brow brush. All the essentials are right at your fingertips. Worried about your makeup fading? This kit is designed to be smudge-proof and long-lasting, ensuring your look stays perfect all day. Effortlessly create full, natural-looking brows that frame your face beautifully. It helps you achieve a polished and refined appearance. Available in a versatile dark brown shade, it blends seamlessly with most hair colors. Get ready to transform your brows with ease. What we like. This pen makeup kit provides a smudge-proof and long-lasting finish, ensuring your brows remain impeccable. Its precise application helps create full, natural-looking brows with ease. If you need a durable solution that stays put all day without smudging, this pen kit is a strong contender. What people say. Number 2. $1 Billion Brows Eyebrow Powder Taupe. Achieve perfectly defined eyebrows with this exceptional powder. It's designed to enhance your natural beauty effortlessly. Experience a luxurious, velvet-smooth application every time. This pressed brow filler glides on easily for a flawless finish. Its buildable formula allows you to customize your look from subtle to bold. Plus, it's water-resistant, ensuring your brows stay perfect all day. Transform your brows into a fuller, fluffier masterpiece. It helps create a natural yet impactful appearance. Feel good about your makeup choice. This eye makeup is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical beauty standards. What we like. This velvet smooth brow powder offers a buildable, water-resistant formula for versatile looks. It's ideal for achieving full, fluffy brows with a soft, natural finish. If you prefer a softer, more diffused brow look and buildable coverage, this powder is your go-to. What people say. Number 1. Julep Brow 101 Sculpting Pencil and Tinted Brow Gel Set. Achieve beautifully defined and perfectly tinted brows effortlessly. This innovative tool simplifies your daily routine, giving you salon-quality results at home. It features a precision tip for sculpting and a tinted gel for setting. This convenient design means you have everything you need in one compact tool. Enjoy brows that stay flawless from morning to night. Its long-lasting, waterproof formula ensures your look remains impeccable, no matter what your day brings. Sculpt, fill, and tint with ease to create your ideal brow shape. It helps you achieve a natural yet polished finish every time. Experience the ultimate in brow transformation with this essential set. It's designed to give you confidence with perfectly groomed brows that last. What we like. This dual-ended tool combines a sculpting pencil and a tinted brow gel for comprehensive brow styling. It provides both precision definition and a natural tint to your brows. If you desire perfectly defined and subtly tinted brows with one convenient product, this set is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.